Hi everybody, this is my next episode of a YouTube video. I'm here this evening and at cover time. I'm going to start on the recipe for an apple, a pear, strawberry smoothie with pineapples. So the first thing we do is add the fresh orange juice, which usually 3 cups is enough. Do it like this. That should be enough. You shouldn't use more than that for in your blender. Okay, next you add the next soft ingredients, which would be, as you can see here, I have 1 date, 3 cups of Greek yogurt, or 3 spoons of Greek yogurt, and a banana chopped. I put those in here like this. And next you add the pineapples, already sliced and chopped and ready, as you can see here. So add them like this. Then next, you add the next part of the ingredients, which is the pears. And these are 3 whole pears, which have been de-seeded and ready. And they're de-stemmed, so you put them in here. And they're also being peeled, as you can see. So you put them in here. And the next ingredients you use is the next hardest, which is the frozen strawberries. You put them in here. And you can also use ice. Here's some ice here. Here you can say some ice. This is about a bowl of ice, so a little bit of this bowl of ice. Also add the yogurt as protein with the chia seeds. Then for flavoring, if you want, you can add honey. Some of honey. And then you start the blender. As I said, you should not be blending with more than about 2 minutes. At a time. Plug the blender in, like so. You set it. Now most blenders don't have an automatic, so you would blend this at increasing speeds from lower to higher until you reach the consistency you'd like to have. But for now, for this, I'll blend for 2 minutes, and that's it. So we're gonna start blending. regular recipe, I used one whole large date, which will look like this. And I finely chopped it, and I put it with the ingredients, and I also used 3 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of light Greek yogurt, and I also used a bowl of frozen strawberries, which is equivalent to about maybe 200 grams of frozen strawberries. And I used approximately maybe 300 milliliters or so of the fresh orange juice. And for the pears, I used 3 medium-sized pears, which are all chopped and de-seeded, and completely and peeled and de-stemmed. And I believe I also used fresh pineapples, approximately 150 grams of fresh pineapples, or a few of 150 grams of fresh pineapples. Which you can purchase to the fresh. And what else? Well, that's it. And you also use honey. That's since you're wondering what exactly the ingredients for this, and that's it. Well, that's it. That's it for today and for this evening, which is your Cairo time. Well, I guess I hope you enjoyed my YouTube video, and well, please subscribe. Thank you.